I like to go over what we're going to be covering in the photo sharing website project. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the website layout, which is going to include creating our menu, the Jumbotron, and the main content sections of the website. So we'll do this on the index.html, then we'll start using or reusing the header sections, which include the menu, and the footer sections as well can be reused on the other pages. We're also going to add some variables into our Sass file and some CSS styling into that file as well that's going to use our Sass variables. So whenever the gulp file runs and compiles our Sass into CSS, all of that gets pushed into CSS. We're going to then create our contact page and our about page, which are going to have their own custom content sections but reuse the same header, navigation, and footers. We're going to do some adjustments to breakpoints just to see what those look like and the different things you might want to consider whenever you are customizing breakpoints. We're going to install Font Awesome, which is going to be a local installation so that we don't have a CDN dependency, so an external dependency, and we can really utilize it locally. And then we're going to do some grid analysis to help us understand the impact of different kinds of configurations in the grid and what those look like visually. So let's go ahead and get into this module.